Solar energy. It's one of the most efficient, abundant, and renewable sources of energy ever discovered. It involves converting the sun's light into something we all use each and every day, and that's electricity. In Trinidad and Tobago, we use oil and natural gas, but let me introduce you to solar power. Trinidad and Tobago, this is an urgent message. Our environment is slowly dying. With carbon dioxide emissions increasing our carbon footprint year by year, we kill many of our own. With oil spills left and right, and for what you ask? To obtain electricity. People of Trinidad and Tobago, the time to act is now. I want you to know that there is another way, a safer way, to obtain your electricity, and that's through solar energy. It involves using advanced technology we know as solar panels. These panels are developed for harnessing the sun's light by absorbing light photons from the sun, which excites electrons within the panel in order for them to carry charges and generate an electric current, thereby powering your homes. In conducting 2 interviews, I asked the question, "What is solar energy?" and these were their responses. In your opinion, what is solar energy?
Solar energy, I believe, is the energy that is derived from the sun.
In your opinion, what is solar energy?
Solar energy to me is the energy from the sun that we use to provide electricity in your home.
And what about its implementation? Are you supportive of renewable energy?
Of course I am. I think renewable energy is the best type of energy that we should use.
Yes. What is your reasons for not implementing it in your home?
That it's there, that we can access it, but I never really thought of getting it for myself, for my home. But now that you have raised the question, I will do a little more research. I will be able to make a better judgment now on maybe getting solar energy to be used in my home.
Have you implemented solar energy in your home? If not, state your reasons for not doing so.
Well, I have not implemented solar energy in my home as yet because really and truly in 9 years of being an adult, I'm 52, and the government really hasn't put anything in place to encourage or motivate the citizens to start to use solar energy and move away from oil and gas. So probably if they do something that will encourage and motivate the general public to use solar energy, maybe then you will find a large percentage of the population going towards that direction.
Quite correct. But when would that happen? The government has oil and natural gas. Why would they want to use solar energy? I believe that we as citizens must take it upon ourselves and fight for what we believe in. While driving through my neighborhood, I saw that one of the residents took it upon himself to install a solar water heater. We see here that the government tries to implement solar energy by installing solar street lights, but this is not nearly enough. On November 25th of 2019, an article was written by Julian Leaves of the Trinidad and Tobago Newsday newspaper. It states that Trinidad has seen a sea level rise by almost double in the past 2 decades, approximately from 1999 to 2019. In the chart shown before, we see that Trinidad and Tobago's carbon emissions increased yearly. And if you don't know how this is related, think about the word global warming, a term we all are familiar with, a term that is self-explanatory. The rise in sea level is because of this. Ice caps melt, adding to the water levels of the sea, as well as increasing the water temperature. Trinidad and Tobago contributes to this. We are slowly committing suicide. What's the alternative? How can we save ourselves? Or at least try? Through solar energy. Remember, sustainability ensures continuity. And solar energy is sustainable energy.